Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, I'm here in Baker River right now because this river here, I got luck here. So I'll show you guys how to gold winning right now. So I'm gonna go, you know why I'm doing here. You know, this is the bedrock, right? If you can see, so all the materials goes that way, you know. So this is the bedrock, so gold not go anywhere because it's solid, okay? So if you dig, if you really want to find some gold, you know, so you're gonna go to the bedrock. So we're gonna dig right here, okay? Somewhere in right here, guys. Dig here. Because the water, if you can see from there, you know, the water goes here, okay? And all deposit all these materials here. There's a lot of materials here, and the bedrocks is gold because the gold don't go anywhere. It's always here, okay? So you don't have to dig in the river, because if you dig in there, you're gonna be like deeper and deeper, okay? You need some more, you know, like a gold meaning like the, you know, the
bedrock,
heavy materials. But here, you know, I just use the shovel. If you just want a gold cleaning, guys, you know, just doing the gold cleaning, why not to do? So I just share with you guys how to find a gold in the bedrock, okay? So now I have enough here. See, this is the soil that's from there, okay? From over there. Okay, so we're gonna do, guys. So we're gonna go to the river, show you how this works, okay? So I have this stuff in here that I can suck the gold, okay? And if you want to, there is another one here. I got a lot of stuff, guys. This is the, they call, what is called?
That's a tweezer,
tweezer.
and that's
so
just a specimen bottle.
Yeah, so
you can buy them anywhere.
Yeah, so guys, so I put that here. So I'll show you guys, okay? I'm wearing a jacket because it's a little cold.
It's cold here.
The water is very cold, guys.
It's like
right now
42 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 6 degrees Celsius. So so it's cold here.
So now we have materials here. So you have to do this like guys. But if you do this, guys, put some water and shake like hard. Okay, don't be afraid because the gold don't go anywhere. So if you do that, the gold still go through.
And there's ribs.
Yeah,
explain about the ribs.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Okay, because they cannot really see it.
Yeah, that's all right. Go ahead, do your thing.
So you're gonna, you know, try to get these materials out, the dark ones. So these three ribs, guys, these three. So if there's a gold here, the gold will be stuck, cut by here, okay? So that's why it's there, okay?
Yeah, it stays
and
in the pan.
Now we're just gonna keep cleaning, guys, okay? The water is too cold. Look at my hands, it's getting red. So we're gonna keep doing this over and over. See, slowly, like this, and until the water will clear. And there's so much materials there that you cannot avoid. Okay, there's so many materials that, like this, guys, this small stone here. You know, you have to get these materials out because sometimes the gold hiding there, especially the flakes or the tiny flakes. Okay, so you have to you know, you have to get that out. Okay, so now we're gonna keep the good work. So yeah, still like there's still a lot of materials there that we have to get that out. With these materials, gonna get this out. Hopefully we'll gonna get luck, okay? See? And we're gonna get this out in here. Gonna get this out.
But we've gold panned here before in the Baker, and we have found gold here, so we know it's here.
Yeah.
You just gotta be persistent, and you have to dig where the bedrock is.
Yeah, because the bedrock will help you to find the gold, even just a little bit. So wow, looks good because it's all a lot of black materials there.
Yeah, the black sand.
Black sand means that good things. Okay, the gold is always
hiding in
the black sand, okay? So hopefully we got luck so we can get the flakes or nuggets.
Oh boy.
Excited, I can't wait. Okay, so now gonna keep doing the same thing, guys, until it's, you know, until the black sand will, and there's so much stone there, there's a lot of materials that I have to go out, guys. So now, guys, what we're gonna do, get these materials out now. Come on, get out, get out. I don't want that there. So okay, so we're gonna do the same over and over, you know. Don't be afraid, guys, the gold don't go anywhere because it's heavy. Okay, so now we're gonna swerk, right? Swerk, what they call this?
Swirl.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that, guys. Oh wow,
Are you seeing
seems like
anything?
we have a gold here. See,
Okay.
guys?
Oh, I see it.
If I go that,
Oh,
guys,
hold. Now hold it still.
see, that's the gold.
It's right there.
Right here.
Yeah, you gotta move your hands so we can see that. I hope you guys can see this because there's a little flake of gold, bigger than the one we found the other day. Okay, see if there's more. Keep going.
Yeah, there's,
Try to get more of that material out of there.
yeah,
Oh, it's down here now, but I can see it just as plain as can be.
yeah, there's another.
That's a nice one
There's
there.
like two.
Oh,
number two.
there's one right there for sure.
Right
That's
here.
gold. There's one in the bottom too, Lynn.
There's so much, guys, but
All right.
there's tiny. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean this over and over, guys, so you can see really well, very well.
The Baker River here in Warren is one of the rivers in New Hampshire that is known to have gold, and that's why we're here. The Ammonoosuc River in Bath, the Wild Ammonoosuc River, which comes into the Ammonoosuc River over in Bath, that's another river that has gold in it.
Yeah.
But people come here, especially to this area on the Baker in Warren, to pan for gold.
See, guys, if I
I can
see,
see
like,
it
guys,
for sure.
if I just do top it up, guys, so the gold go
There's
up.
two pieces there now.
Yeah,
There's
see?
not just one. There's
There's
two.
a lot. See, there's like so tiny, guys.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
yeah. And again,
So-
you have to dig where the bedrock is.
Yeah, where's
because
the-
because the gold cannot penetrate the bedrock. I can see it.
Yeah.
I see it clearly.
See right
All right,
here.
now just hold still and let's see if we can see
There's like
that.
one,
Yeah.
two.
They're
sorry.
tiny,
They're tiny, but you
but
know, if
it's
you-
here. Okay,
it's
there
here.
you can see that really
There's a
good
lot in
now.
here too, but it's so tiny,
Oh,
guys.
you got three. One, two,
Two,
three.
three, yeah.
Oh, what about that? Is that gold
Oh
right
yes,
there?
it is gold too.
Yeah,
Right
that's
here, guys.
four. Yeah, that's
I'm gonna-
common though. That's common because we've done this many times here, and sometimes you'll get none,
Yeah, and
sometimes one, sometimes like this. It all depends.
so there's all this gold, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna clean that, very well. So dear, I'm gonna get this, what they call the bottom, the stocking bottom.
Yeah. You got a lot of junk in here, Lynn. What's up with that? What's all this
All
stuff in the
I
bottom?
still have a gold in there. Before.
There's still gold in here?
I don't know. I don't remember, but just it doesn't matter, you know. It's I think that before I forgot to put that. Where is it now? Now I just confused where they go.
I know. They
It's
move
hard,
around. I
though.
can see one.
It's hard to.
Wow, that one is really clear. You can
This
see
one,
that one
guys,
really well.
This flakes right there.
You might be able to pick that up with your finger, actually, Lynn.
If I can have a what's the name? Can you give me my what they call in there? Yeah, this one, guys.
You can pick that up with your finger.
Where it goes?
It's
that
there. I
there.
see it.
It's right there, guys. See?
Yeah. Go ahead, put it
If you
in.
can see, guys.
Can you get it, or what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna get this out because it's a little bit flake, so I wanna put that in here.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did. And there's another one too. There's a lot in here,
Yeah.
but I have to work.
The problem is that they're tiny, and you know
Yeah.
how many pans you're gonna have to do just to get enough to even hardly see.
And there's
Gonna be
another
here
one.
for a while. Tell
Yeah,
you that
for
right
sure.
now. You want to use that?
Yeah, I'm gonna use this.
Squeeze first before you try to suck, okay?
So I'm gonna suck this, guys.
Oh, I see it. Go ahead.
Right here, guys.
Yeah.
So. That's okay.
You got it.
Doesn't matter. There is a sand in there, but
You got it.
so
I don't
there's
see
another
it. There.
one.
I see it. You might be able to get that one.
There's another one too.
Yeah, and you got one right there. on the top.
Mm-hmm.
See it?
They're so tiny, guys, okay?
Yeah, this one right here though, right there.
Yeah, this one too.
You gotta squeeze it first before
Yeah,
you
I
tip it
just,
up.
that's why I squeezed it, see? See?
Okay, all right,
And
now
then I
go
wanna
ahead.
put some water so I can...
You get it? I
Yeah.
believe you did. So that makes 3 you've gotten out of there.
It's another one. I gotta get this small one. Yeah, there's another one too. Wow.
Let me
Right.
hold it for you.
But sometimes, guys, you have to be careful. You know, you don't have to dump the black sand
Yeah.
because it's, you know, they're so tiny that, you know, it's confusing, okay?
Yeah, when you get to the black sand, you got to be really careful. You got to start really looking
Mm-hmm.
because the gold hides in the black sand, and the black sand is actually a good sign.
Good sign that there is a gold, okay? Like this guy, see? I like to tap it up because the gold is always going up. Like here, see? Over
Where?
there.
Oh yeah, that's a real tiny one. Oh my goodness
There's like
sakes.
how many-
I see it, but it's tiny. I mean, like really tiny.
It's okay, I'll bring it. I'm gonna bring it home.
Yeah, you got it? I would say so. I don't see it.
There's another one.
Squeeze first.
I know, I always confuse this.
Yes. There you go. I can hear it. I think you got it, Lynn.
I think I got it all. Wow, I got good luck today, guys. I'm gonna keep doing it. So I'm just gonna